Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to look at how to do an increase. A lot of times you'll be asked to increase the second round all the way through and every single stitch. So we're starting with the end part of a magic ring before I close it together. And we'll show that in these 6 stitches that I have on the outer rim, we're gonna do 6 increases. So an increase is basically a single crochet done twice in each stitch, or each loop, I call it sometimes. So what we're gonna do our first single crochet. So holding this, we're going to dip underneath, and I like to put my hook over and yarn under, and I pull that through to 2 loops. Then I yarn over by sticking my hook underneath the yarn, so the yarn is over the hook, and then I wrap it and I pull through those 2 loops. Now that is 1 single crochet, all those motions I just did. So I'm going to do it again in the same loop. So you find that hole that you were just in. See, this is kind of, if you can tell, this is coming right through there. That means you're going to go through that one more time, through that underneath this first stitch, and I'm going to pull the yarn through 2 loops. I'm going to yarn over and pull those 2 over, and that's the first increase. Now I don't know how clearly you can see it, but you should see 2 loops that are attached to this 1 stitch. A lot of times you'll see 2 strands kind of making a V shape when you do it, and a lot of times you only see like a capital T shape when it's 1 single crochet. So sometimes if I forget and I lose count, one of the ways I do that is I look back. Do I see a V shape, or do I see more of a capital T shape? And then I know I need to do 1 more single crochet. So let's do it in the next loop. Next stitch, single crochet once, under, got 2 loops, yarn over, and then a second time in that same hole. Yarn under, yarn over. And that's my next increase. Do it again. First single crochet, go through that same hole. Second single crochet. So there's next one. I have 3 increases now, so I gotta do 3 more. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Next loop, next stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and 1 more right here. So go under here, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. And so when you do increases all around, you have doubled the amount of stitches you have in that round. So I should have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you're not sure how I'm counting that, you could almost see like a natural dip where each loop ends, and I kind of follow that to piece out where they are, because sometimes that's hard to tell with like plush yarn. But I see 12 there, so I know I did it correctly. And that's round 2 of my project. Hope that helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.